Hi, this is Mr. Barr, and this is the practice test for Systems Part 2. Here's our first question. Where is the solution to the system? The solution is where the lines cross, and they cross at -3, 2. They cross right there. Next one, I've been given a system. Both equations are in slope-intercept form. I'm going to take the two equations, and I'm going to set them equal to each other. So I have 6x plus 4 equals 2x plus 32. Subtracting 2x from both sides gives me 4x plus 4 equals 32. Subtracting 4 from both sides, 4x equals 28. Dividing both sides by 4, x equals 7. Here I have an equation, I have a system of equations in standard form. Notice that when I combine these two equations, the x's are going to cancel out, and I'll be left with 7y equals 28. I'll solve that for y, so y equals 4. Here's another system of equations. Notice that when I combine them, I get 8x equals 30, so x equals 3.75. So what does that mean? It means there's one solution. What would no solution look like? Maybe something like 0 equals 8. That would be no solution. What would infinite solutions look like? Maybe 0 equals 0. That would be infinite solutions. But in this case, I still have a variable left, which means there's one solution. We're going to create the system of equations for this problem. The Garcia family went out to dinner and bought 3 small drinks, so 3s plus 4 large drinks plus 4l, and the total was 875. The Latento family bought 4 smalls, 4s plus 3 larges, and their total was 740. I do not have to solve the system, I just had to set it up. This time we'll actually create the system and solve it, at least part of it. So 2 corn dogs plus 3 chili dogs equals 670. 2 corn dogs plus 2 chili dogs equals 520. I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by -1. So here's the top equation, nothing happened to it. Here's the bottom one when it got multiplied by -1. So -2 corn dogs minus 2 chili dogs equals -5.20. When I solve this system, notice the corns are going to cancel out. I'll be left with 1 chili dog equals $1.50. So a chili dog is $1.50. It does not ask for the cost of a corn dog. Here's another system. Notice that there's nothing that wants to cancel out. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by 3. Here I am multiplying the top equation by 3. That's going to turn it into -6x minus 9y equals -33. -6x minus 9y equals -33. Now we can see that the y's will cancel out, and I'm left with -x equals -10, or x equals 10. Positive x equals positive 10. If I wanted to get the y, I could plug it in up here and solve it for the y. This one we have to do the full solution. So here are the two equations right here. Notice the y's are already set up to cancel out. They'll cancel, and I'll be left with 7x equals, 91. 7x equals 91. Dividing both sides by 7, x equals 13. I have to take that and plug it up into either of these x's. I can either put it here or there and then solve it for the y. I chose to put it up at the top. So 2 times 13 is 26, plus 6y equals 68. Subtracting 26 from both sides, 6y equals 42. Dividing both sides by 6, y equals 7. So my answer is 13,7. 13,7. Our final one is a system of equations in slope-intercept form. So I have y equals 2x plus 21 and y equals negative x minus 6. I'm going to take the two equations and set them equal to each other. So I have 2x plus 21 equals negative x minus 6. Here I'm adding x to both sides. That gives me 3x plus 21 equals negative 6. Subtracting 21 from both sides, which gives me 3x equals negative 27. Dividing both sides by 3, x equals negative 9. I need to now take this x and plug it in either here for x or there for x. I chose to use the top equation, so I went 2 times negative 9, 2 times negative 9, which is negative 18, plus 21 is 3. So my answer is at negative 9 comma 3, negative 9 comma 3. Oh, you can't see what I was talking about. So I'm taking the negative 9 and plugging it in right there. So 2 times negative 9 gives me negative 18, plus 21 gives me positive 3. So my answer is negative 9 comma 3. Thank you for watching.